meaning first ng love sa inyo, Mylene and Hermione? Kay Mylene muna.
For me, love itself is very broad and complex na. When you respect and trust someone and you have commitment with it, you can call it love. But when it
Ah.
comes to dating naman po, I think it is somehow in a different intensity.
Mm.
And in dating, it composed of two people, not like other love na they have maternal, paternal na you easily
Mm.
can adapt. Sa dating kasi, I think it is growing day by day. And it
Mm.
is mutual decision and intention from both parties.
I agree with Mylene na napakalawak niya. It's a malawak na word and every
Yes.
person has its own view kung ano ba yung love para sa kanila. And for me, if in terms of dating, for me love is a person observes and learn about things about you.
Okay.
And kung
Would you
pasok
say
siya,
love na ba yon if you're like dating? Kasi yung people na intermingle or at least na interchange nila yung
Yes.
word na love. Kapag ba dating na kayo, meaning mutually love nyo na each
Hmm.
other, parang
Feeling ko
ganon.
sana wag
for
muna.
me, dating is all about knowing each other. And
Ah.
by that, doon mo malalaman if it will turn out to be love.
Yes.
Okay.
Dun mo rin
Okay.
masa-spot kasi kung ano kung may red flag and green flag ba yan.
Yes.
Oo.
For you, coach, ano ba yung meaning ng love sa perspective ng dating?
Para sa akin is action. You have to do
Mm.
something, hindi
Mhm.
lang siya puro salita, hindi lang siya puro text or chat. You
Yes.
have to do something. Love is a verb. It's not a noun. Yung commitment, gusto ko yan. Kasi commitment requires you to do something, to act on something. At yung
Right.
pangalawang sabi ni Hermione, yung learning, tsaka yung getting to know. Because sabi nga ng mga kabataan ngayon, yung mga kabataan ngayon, medyo impatient tayo.
Yes,
Trish, tsaka
mabilis.
James. Medyo
Yes.
mabilis, no? Of course, with the advent of technology and science, some people think na kapag convenient, kapag madali, love na
Yeah.
yon. But I would
Totoo.
like to differ, guys, no? So love takes time, number one, and love is patient. Sabi nga sa Bible. At
Love is
syempre-
kind. Charis. Tuloy na
I
natin.
definitely, gusto ko yung sinabi ni Maylene kanina na you have to commit. I always tell the younger generation nowadays, pag walang label, walang relationship. Okay.
Naisip mo yun? Kung sino ka man sa audience ngayon.
Sa mga schoolmates natin na nanonood dyan, ha?
So yun, isa sa mga anchors, kumbaga pillars ng isang relationship at love, yung commitment and relationship and of course getting to know each other.